Convenient and healthy breakfast options for young children can include oatmeal, quick cooking oats or overnight oats topped with fruits, nuts, or seeds. Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and fresh berries. Whole grain toast, toasted whole grain bread topped with nut butter. And slices of banana or strawberries. Smoothies, blend together fruits, leafy greens, yogurt, and a splash of milk or a dairy-free alternative for a nutritious and portable option. Egg muffins, baked egg muffins with vegetables like spinach, peppers, and tomatoes for a protein-packed breakfast. Fruit parfait, layer yogurt, granola, and mixed fruits like berries or sliced peaches for a balanced and colorful breakfast. Whole grain cereal. Choose low-sugar, high-fiber cereals and pair them with milk or a plant-based alternative. Mini breakfast quesadillas, whole wheat tortillas filled with scrambled eggs, cheese, and veggies. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds soaked in milk overnight and topped with fruits or nutritious breakfast pudding. Banana pancakes, mashed bananas mixed with eggs and a touch of cinnamon cooked as mini pancakes. These options are not only convenient but also provide essential nutrients for young children to start their day with energy and focus.